Number 28. Use a graphing calculator to solve the equation in the interval from 0 to 2 pi round to the nearest hundredth. So what this question is asking me to do, right? They want to know, here's our equation. They want to know, what does t have to be so you get an output of 6, okay? So basically, if you're looking at the graph or your graphing calculator, they want to know where are all the points where you have y equal to 6. What do your x's have to be when y is 6, okay? And this is a cosine function, right? So it has a cycle, so it's going to hit 6 at multiple spots, all right? So heads up, we're looking for more than one answer. And then I also see it says round to the nearest hundredth. So that's giving you a heads up that you're going to have decimals. Okay, so this is going to be pretty easy to do on the calculator, but you are going to have to change the settings a little bit so that you can see the correct answers. So let's start by going to y equals, type in your equation, 9 cosine 2 theta. Okay, take a look at the graph. Now it wants the interval from 0 to 2 pi, so I don't care about any of these negatives here. So I'm going to go to my window and have it start at 0. All right, looking at my graph. Now if you hit trace to kind of move through, and we want to know when y equals 6. So I got 5.8, and then it jumps to 7.15. So that doesn't help me know what the exact answer is. It's going to be some number between 5.8 and 5.95. So let's take a look at our table. And here I have the same problem. It's making too big of a jump. I need it to count the hundredths for me. So you can press the yellow button and go press window. Right on top in yellow it says table set. So right now our tables are counting by 1. I want to change that. Let's have it count by 0.0. Let's do 0.01 because that would be the hundredths place. Right? So now I'm looking at my table and I'm just going to go through and we're looking for all the x's where your y equals 6. Okay, there's the first one. Okay, let's keep going. See, the graph goes down, 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 hits a minimum, and it's going to start going up again. And if you want to start shortcutting it, you can go to table set and change where it's starting at. So let's just make a jump. Let's start looking at 2. That's still in the negative, so let's change it to 2.5. Okay, now we got our positive. So you can use that table set to kind of jump for you so you're not having to click this a million times. Okay, we have our next one at 5.9858. That's pretty close to 6, 2.72. Okay, let's have our table jump another position. Let's go to 3.5. And we're looking for 6. Okay, 3.56. And let's do the next one. Let's go to 4.5. Still negatives. Let's try 5.5. Okay, and we're looking for 6 again. Almost. There we go. 5.87. And we just wanted the interval from 0 to 2 pi, so you just need to find 4 points. Obviously, it's going to keep going forever and ever. It's going to keep cycling through. So there's infinite number of x values that are going to give you 6, but you just need to find the first 4.